Hi everyone, this is gonna be a brief intro to the rockets. Cambridge Dictionary describes rocket as a large cylinder object that moves very fast by forcing out burning gases. But if we try to look at rocket from a function point of view, we can call rocket as a sort of a space car or truck, for lack of a better term, which helps you ferry things to space. So the basic function of the rocket is to transfer a payload, which can be a satellite or a human, from Earth to space. And it takes a lot of science and engineering to accomplish this task. Now, a rocket is an engineering model. It has multiple subsystems, each task with a special role to play. Three major subsystems form the core of the rocket design, and they are propulsion, structure, and guidance navigation control, together referred to as GNC systems. So coming to the first major system, that is propulsion. Now essentially, what happens in this system is that the gases are produced by a chemical reaction between fuel and oxidizer within a rocket engine or a solid booster. And then these gases are accelerated and exhausted through a nozzle. Now this action of fast moving gases out of the rocket creates a reaction and makes the rocket accelerate. And this is how the rocket moves. And the rocket faces tremendous load during its journey to space. Now these loads will very easily crush anything in space. Hence, the body and the joints in a rocket must be able to withstand these loads. Now, the another aspect to it is that the structure has to be not only strong but light too, because we want to minimize mass or weight as much as possible. And this is achieved by using light and strong metals such as aluminum, titanium, and some other man-made special alloys. And now we come to the third major subsystem, GNC or NGC subsystem. Now here, G stands for guidance, which helps the rocket decide where to go and what turns to take. N stands for navigation, which tells the rocket its position, space, or acceleration. And C, that is the control, provides the capability to rockets to do maneuvers such as roll, pitch, and yaw, so that the rocket stays on its path during its journey. There are many more subsystems and mechanisms which make a rocket work. Now, once you have individually tested these subsystems, all of these subsystems, major or minor, are integrated together, tested and qualified. And then only your so-called space car, that is the rocket, will be ready to take anything to space.